Hi everybody, I am Thomas Oslan Palace, the lead developer and engineer behind Sirius. What I have for you today is my 40% demo. I'll be debuting it live tomorrow night, but I'll put this online hopefully the day before, and if anything goes wrong, God forbid, I'll be able to show everybody in my class this. Okay, so for those of you who aren't already intimately aware, Sirius is a steganographic relay system. It's a secret message broadcasting agent. And so in this case, what we have here is going to be a demonstration of the Android application, whereby a user can take a photo, inject a message into it, and it's automatically sent to Imager. Then you'll also be able to see how the backend automatically pulls its user base, sees that we have an image to download, downloads that image, extracts it, and then keeps track of the records. It's a relatively simple affair tonight, but it's a good 40% place, I think. So the first thing to do is show you what America would see before a user does anything. So let's log into our system. Alright, so we'd say show tables. There are 4 tables in this database: accounts, which keeps track of any user that's registered a social network site, as well as a users table, which is it creates a primary key of the user ID, as well as a hash of the first account that a user registers in a handshake. It has a records table, which is every image we've downloaded thus far, and a to download table, which, as it would imply, is images to be downloaded. So right now we'd say something like select everything from to download, just to show you that there is nothing in there right now. Now you can see that that's empty. I can also say select star from accounts, and we'd say we have one user by the name of Tom Awesome who is registered at Imager. Now we're going to go to our generic user and start the Android application. Here we go. In the simulator, user clicks new message and they're brought to the new message screen. For our message, let's choose something generic like this is my online demo. User clicks send and activates the camera for them to take a photo. Okay, come back over here. There we go. Take a picture of my ceiling because I don't want to show the world the developer of this thing. You can see my hair on the bottom. Hit click. Performs the LSB injection almost instantaneously. Uploads it to Imager and notifies our backend server that there is a new image to be downloaded. Now, if we open up Chrome over here, we can say i.imager.com/ and today it's AYZ Whiskey Yankee X-Ray 0.png. We can see our picture of my ceiling, so it's there. Now I can go back into Eclipse, and actually it's best to show you the MySQL database and how it's changed. So into download, we now have one image, which is the address I just typed upstairs. If I begin the server application and hit play, we go to the console and it pulls the database for users. We say we have Tom Awesome at Imager. It pulls to download for new images and it sees that new record. It downloads that image. Now it's performing the LSB extraction. Now that it's done that, as you can see here, I'll go ahead and stop the simulation. It has, extracted the message and put it into a small little text byte at the bottom, which is right here. As you can see from user Tom Awesome, they had a message, this is my online demo. For records keeping, it also deleted the entry in to download with our new image. Effectively, guys, that's it. That is from front to back end of the Sirius steganographic relay system. Again, this is only 40%. At the moment, portions of this are simulated. For instance, in the 100% and likely the 70, instead of the server being alerted that there is a new image to download, it will just generally continuously pull our database for users, check their accounts, and see if anything new has been uploaded. That way, outside of the initial handshake and account registration, there will be no communication between handset and server. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my 40% demo. Good night.